Welcome back to the Spider Web, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is the box. It didn't come to me like this, it came in a much bigger box, but this is all we have to open. It is another Kickstarter, I think. I think I know what it is, but let's get it open, shall we? Oh, that worked well. By well, I meant badly. I'm going to just go down to the table now, and you can see what it is as I open it. It's now been unsealed, so let's look at it at the tabletop. Okay, so here we are. It's unravelled. Let's open it up, and inside we find the book of set for Conan. These are book of set. Yeah, these are a set of all the adventures and scenarios that have been, I think, that have been compiled into one volume. They're all the ones that have been released since the campaign for the game, and have been released on the website. You've also got pictures of the different minis to show them how they've been painted. And here we have the... Okay, so what do we have? Start at the beginning, shall we? Table of contents. We have, for the 2-player games, we have Yara's Trap, The White Witch, Sedition and The Price of Success. For 3 players we have The Cursed Mirrors, Where the Thunder Rumbles, Damned Resurrection, The Terrible Lovers, Lie Amongst the Panthers, The Last Ditch Invocation, and For the Blood of a Barbarian. For 4 players we have Death from the North, Conspiracy in Karen, Yoga's Rebirth and A Dragon of the Marches. And for 5 players we have An Ape, Severed Legs, Severed Kegs and a Girl. Sorry, An Ape, Several Kegs and a Girl, The Zambula Stranger, Sacrificial Heroes, The Curse of the Shapeshifters, The Iron Hand. And then we have Characters in Distant Lands. Conan, Conan Bellit, Bellitor, Cronan and Agora, Shavatus and Hadrathus, Valerian Taurus, Zalatan a Wolf, Atlantides and a Black Dragon, Dragon, Yogoviag. So yeah, there we are. So we have all the scenarios here. As I say, these are all ones that have been put onto the website. There is another book to come that has been released, and has been compiled of what do we call it? Homebrew scenarios. But this is a nice little book. It looks exactly the same as the normal books. High gloss finish the pages. Everything looks exactly the same as it does in the main books. So this is a lovely addition to the Conan pledge. This is the one where they released it in a very small number and everybody was kicking off because we missed it, so they increased it a lot, did a second run. The original backers got their copy before Christmas. I had to wait because I missed the first one because it sold out in about 20 minutes. But there we are. That's it. I've got this one now. I'm waiting for the next book to come, and we're going to carry on doing some more of Conan once I've done the base set for Mythic Battles Pantheon. So there we are. That is Conan, the book of set. Have a look at the picture. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.